So welcome to my 22-foot growing dome, and I just wanted to talk a little about the water tank. And people say, well, why do you need a water tank in a greenhouse? But the water tank is the key to why the growing dome outperforms easily a regular greenhouse. It's the power pack of the growing dome. And what it does, it keeps the dome warm in the winter, and more importantly, keeps it cool in the summer. And so it does take up some space, but it can be a beautiful place to have fish and aquatic plants, and it's actually a real boon to have the water tank. And as you can see, we put plants on the crossbar. Geranium, look at these guys, it's just happy. And also we have a fountain, and some people have complained that they have algae in the tank. But what we do is we have these aquatic plants that spread all over the surface of the tank, and they help in two different ways. First, they compete with the algae for nutrients, and so they help to drown out the algae by that competition, and then they spread over the whole surface of the tank, and they cover the surface of the water, and therefore they prevent light shining in the tank, and that cuts down the algae formation. I've had this water in here for 7 years. We replenish it every a month or so as we water out of the tank, but we've never had any algae. And the other thing that we have are snails that crawl up and down the surface of the tank, and they help to eat the algae as well. So here's a little snail. People are worried about them reproducing, but they don't seem to be a problem. They keep everything in check, and they cruise around and eat the algae on the side of the tank. So make sure that if you have a growing dome with a water tank, where the water's always full to within an inch of the crossbar, and you should have a wonderful experience with the water tank. So happy gardening.